Hello everybody, welcome to House of Clubs, and today we are talking about the Pythagorean theorem, which is a fundamental of pre-algebra. So let's get on with it. So what is the Pythagorean theorem even used for in the first place? We'll talk about that. The Pythagorean theorem is used to find a side of a right angle triangle when two sides are shown. So, for example, if you know A and B, you can easily find C. Same thing if you have A and C, you can find B, and when you have B and C, you could find A. And fun fact, if you want to know how to find a right angle triangle, you'll always see that the angle, instead of a section of the circle, it'll be a square at the corner of the two sides. And we call A as a leg and B also as a leg and C as the hypotenuse. Now that we're talking about what is the Pythagorean theorem, what's the actual equation Pythagorean theorem? So the Pythagorean theorem is A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared, where A and B are two legs and C is the hypotenuse, as I just discussed previously. So let's do some problems, shall we? For example, if A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4, C is equal to what? So as you can see, we use the Pythagorean theorem, which is A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Now, what's 3 squared? 9. What's 4 squared? 16. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. C squared is equal to 25. C is equal to 5. Now we found 5, the hypotenuse. Now let's try this problem. You try this problem. If A is equal to 5, B is equal to 12, and C is equal to question mark. Pause the question and try to answer this question. Okay, now that you're back, let's solve this question. First, let's talk about the answer. The answer is 13. Now, how did we really solve this? So we use the Pythagorean theorem again. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. A squared is 5 squared, which is 25. B squared is 12 squared, which is 144. 144 plus 25 is equal to 169. What's square root of 169? 13. So that's how we found the correct answer, which is 13. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please support us and watch all the remaining videos which we have uploaded. And also the motivational quotes in shorts called Quote of the Day, which we did. Thank you.